Every student has a different story. Today I have an extraordinary guest with us. Her name is Atiqa. So which city do you live in and what do you enjoy most about your city?
I live in Peshawar, Pakistan, and I love the tradition, culture, and environment.
Let's talk about your experience and your journey with USECS. So as we can see that you started as a physical student, right? Then why did you shift from your physical classes to online classes?
It was very difficult for me to manage the time.
How did you first get to know about this university?
From my relatives and friends who had previously studied here.
You have participated in different activities like debates, podcasts, and presentations. So how were those experiences?
All the experiences was very well for me, but online podcast was very good for me.
So tell us that how these English skills, has helped you in your daily life and in your school as well.
We are speaking Urdu in school, okay?
Yeah.
So sometime when I speak English, so all the friends, they say to me that how you speak English like this?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Commencing with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who's the most merciful and the most compassionate. This is me, your host, Mahnu Chaudhary. I'm 13 years old and I am an instructor, youngest instructor in the USECS. And I welcome you all into another exciting episode of Nanha Sahafi. Before introducing my amazing guest to all of you, let me tell you that here at the spoken stage, every student has a different story, voice, and ideas that deserves to be heard. So that is why today I have an extraordinary guest with us. Her name is Atiqa. Actually, as an instructor, I feel so happy when I see young girls prospering and shining bright like a star, and they're working to improve their skills. So I guess without any further delay, let's start by her introduction because she is going to share her experience, thoughts and ideas with us. So let's start with the introduction. Okay, so how are you, Atiqa?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. I know you very well, Atiqa, but can you introduce yourself for the audience?
My name is Bibi Atiqa. I come from a very loving and supportive family in Peshawar. My father's name is Muhammad Yasir, and my family always support me to work hard, and their support helped me to stay focused on my goals.
That's true, and we should always pray Allah Ta'ala that everybody should get a very supportive family, I think having a supportive family is such a big blessing.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us that how old are you and which grade are you studying in?
I am 15 years old and currently I am studying in grade 9. This is an important stage of my education, so I am trying to do best in my studies.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, which city do you live in and what do you enjoy most about your city?
I live in Peshawar, Pakistan, and I love the tradition, culture, and environment. And Peshawar also called the flower of the city. Peshawar food are very delicious, and the environment, I really love it.
Yeah, that's true. I agree with that. Okay, so what are your hobbies and what do you love to do in your free time?
In my free time, I love to watch educational videos, and I also like to spend quality of time with my family.
That's interesting. Okay, so what are your favorite subjects and why?
My favorite subjects are biology and English. Biology is my favorite because I love to know about the living things and the human, like how they work. And it is very excited for me when I study it, biology. And the English is very important for my communication and for my gaining vocabulary.
Oh, so what is the favorite topic in biology? Is there any specific topic that you like?
No, there is no specific topic, but I love the blood. Like it is the best topic for me, and we have studied currently in the like in winter. So I really love it, and it was easy for me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so what are your future goals?
My future goal is to want to be a doctor, but I want to do the career. Like I want to make my family proud. So this is my big goal for me, and inshallah I will work for it.
That's nice. Okay, so let's talk about your experience and your journey with USECS, right? So tell us that how did you first get to know about this university?
Well, I know about from my relatives and friends who had previously studied here. Like they shared their positive experience with their teachers and the learning environment, and their feedback inspired me. I came here.
So as we can see that you started as a physical student, right? So how was the experience like?
As a physical student, it was a very good experience for me because I met new students here, and the teachers their face-to-face interaction for me, and it gained a lot of confidence for me. It was a very good experience.
Oh, that's good. And I can say it's nice to hear that you gained confidence as well. Then why did you shift from your physical classes to online classes?
Well, I shifted from physical classes to online classes because it was very difficult for me to manage the time. It was very difficult when I will come from school and then I will come here. So it was very difficult, and the thing was that we shifted from one place to another.
Yeah.
So it was very long travel. So that's why I can't manage the time. Because of time, I shifted.
Oh, I see. Yeah, sometimes managing time,
Yeah.
and the long travel distance, it can make very hard for
Yeah,
students
it
to
is
travel
really
to
difficult.
physical
Yeah.
classes, indeed. So that's why it's said that online classes are really good.
Yeah.
Because over here in USECS also we can see that there are many students and they
Yeah.
join us from around the globe, I
Yeah.
guess. So that's nice to hear. Okay, so let's move forward and tell us that how has your experience been, like if we compare them to the physical classes?
Online classes.
Yeah.
Okay. Online classes are really good. It was good for me because I can do all the things. Like I can manage the time because I don't have any time when I was in a physical student. So it was very difficult for me. And when I shifted to online classes, so it was very easy for me. Like I can study, I can manage my all the time. And the online classes, it was very good, and there was no problem for me with the online classes, and it was very good.
Yeah, I guess I actually agree with you because in online classes we get to meet different people,
Yeah.
right? They're from different places, and different even countries, right?
Yeah.
So I guess we get to meet different people from different cultural backgrounds, and we get to know about different things actually.
And the best thing was that when I was in online classes, when I was taking online classes, so it was really good. Like I asked from the students their time of the country, like what is
Yeah.
time in the Afghanistan and what is like this. So I really love it.
Yeah, it's very it's
Yeah.
like very good to ask different things from different people about
Yeah.
their countries.
Yeah.
So you get to know about different things and a lot of information, I guess.
Yes.
Actually, I can understand it very easily because I also been an online student,
Yeah.
so I guess I can understand it. Okay, so tell us that how has USECS helped you to improve your confidence and English skills?
Well, the teachers they give a lot of they give a lot of opportunities to do it.
Yeah.
Like I have done it podcast and debate and presentation. So they were very helpful for me. So that's why I gain a lot of confidence from it.
Oh, so as you just mentioned that you have participated in different activities
Yeah.
like debates, podcasts, and presentations. So how were those experiences?
All the experiences was very well for me, but the podcast was very good for me. I overcome from the nervousness and if I talk about the presentation, so it was also good because I will write my thinking that what I can think about this.
Yeah.
So, presentation was also very good. And if I talk about the debate, so debate helped me that how to listen to everyone and how to respect them. So it was very good for me.
I think every activity teaches us something new,
Something,
right? And I always encourage that, when you give presentations, you gain a lot of confidence because, you get to know that how to deliver something to different people.
Yes.
So, and, with the passage of time, when you deliver a lot of presentations, you gain a lot of good presentation skills, I guess, which are necessary for every kind of environment too. So you mentioned quite different activities. So what was your favorite?
My favorite was podcast.
Oh.
It was very good for me. Online podcast was very good for me because I get to know about the AI,
Yeah.
how to use AI and how to get presentation and whatever. So it was very good for me. My favorite was podcast.
Oh, so you enjoy doing podcasts,
Yes.
I can see that podcasts can be very much, I can say, engaging, and you enjoy them a lot because you meet different people and you talk talk to them,
Yes.
right? And you hear their perspectives a lot, right? So I guess that's amazing. Okay, so tell us that how these English skills, has helped you in your daily life and in your school as well.
It helped me a lot in school because I can speak with my teachers in English. And the best thing that, we are in school, but we are speaking Urdu in school, okay?
Yeah.
So sometime when I speak English, so all the friends, they say to me that, how you speak English like this? So it is very good for me. Like, I can speak English with them. And the
Yeah.
next time I use English in daily life, so it get very easy for me. Like when I see any picture on Instagram or whatever, like it is in English, so then I can speak with it. Like I
Yeah.
can say that, yeah, I can understand it. So it is good.
Yeah, I guess when you know how to speak English, when
Yeah.
you know how to properly write it,
Yeah.
so it gives you a lot of benefits, I guess.
Yes.
That's why I encourage students to learn English, and it's a major skill in your studies too. Atika, as you can see, like in academics, of course, everything is in English, right? In your bio, in your like other subjects, in all it's in English, right? So I guess learning English has become very much a mandatory, and indeed, especially I hope that you would be feeling like very much easy when it comes to your English exam, right? Do you feel easy when your English exam comes?
Yeah, it is very easy because I can write any story, like whatever. Because now we are in 9th class and it is all about general.
General.
So I can write many things on it. So it is
Yeah,
very
of
easy for
course.
me.
Because when you have learned properly like English, right?
Yeah.
So what happened is that you can easily like shape your ideas in
Yeah.
English, and you can write them down correctly
Yes.
and very clearly.
Yeah.
So I agree with that. Okay, so what message would you like to give to the students who want to join USECS and take the online classes?
Okay, the message is to stay consistent and take your classes every day and talk to your teacher because it will gain your confidence. And never hesitate to learn anything. And talk to your teacher like they are your friends or like they are your parents. So it will gain your confidence, and it will be I'm talking that I have experienced it. So talk to your teacher like they are your friends. So it will be easy for you, and you will seek everything from them.
And I guess doing everything with consistency it's very important.
Yeah.
And especially when you're learning any kind of a
Any kind
language,
of
not
language.
not only English, but every language. For
Yeah.
that consistency is, I can say, that should be your first goal, I guess.
Yeah.
So that's amazing. So everyone, with this, today's amazing episode of Nanha Sahafi comes to an end. And let me pay thanks to my amazing guest for coming and sharing her amazing thoughts with us. Actually, I really enjoyed, and the way you shared your thoughts with us, our ideas, and especially your experience was amazing. So everyone, that's all for today, and we'll come again with new guests, new ideas, and new stories. So until that, keep watching, keep learning, keep shining, and Allah Hafiz.